See, what is the normal flow then? So, anything ranging between 1 to 7 days is normal. People get worried if they bleed for only 2 days. They get worried if they bleed for 6 days. So, anything between 1 to 7 days is normal. Even the amount of bleeding. If you change up to 5 pads a day, it is normal flow. If you keep on changing every 1 to 2 hours, fully soaked pad, then it is heavy flow. Even the clots, even small clots, they get worried. No, small clots are normal during periods. See why blood remains watery during menstruation. Hello, I am Dr. Shailaja. Blood flow during menstruation. It varies from person to person and from period to period in the same person. People get worried about it too much. See, what is the normal flow then? So, anything ranging between 1 to 7 days is normal. People get worried if they bleed for only 2 days. They get worried if they bleed for 6 days. So, anything between 1 to 7 days is normal. Even the amount of bleeding. If you change up to 5 pads a day, it is normal flow. If you keep on changing every 1 to 2 hours, fully soaked pad, then it is heavy flow. Even the clots, even small clots, they get worried. No, small clots are normal during periods. See why blood remains watery during menstruation. So in the uterus lining, there is a enzyme which will actually break down the clots and make the blood very watery. So, but when it exceeds the capacity of these enzymes, the blood gets clotted. But small clots up to 5 centimeter, it is normal. If at all it is more than 5 centimeter sized clot associated with severe menstrual cramp, then it is heavy flow. So anything more than 7 days duration, so big clots passage, changing pads more than 1 to 2 hours is heavy flow. So there will be some underlying conditions in these situations. Better you consult your gynecologist and address the underlying issues. So, but you should come out of the myth. So, very little bleeding is not healthy. So, up to 6 days bleeding not healthy. My last period was 3 days flow, and this time it is 5 days flow. These are all normal. They're all normal variation. So, if at all the period's flow is mucus, don't get scared about this also, because whenever the cervical mucus mixed with the blood, it can appear little thready, tissue type. That is also a normal variation. So you should understand the normal physiology to decide when to consult your doctor.